What's he doing?
I don't know. He's talking to you.
Crazy about it. Don't come after me. Don't leave me alone. Touch him.
Go on my head.
He looks like a cat from here.
That is like... Maybe if I stick out my finger, it'll go in my finger. Come on.
Telling to peck me.
He's like, no, no, no. Get on my arm. Oh, he's so soft. He's gonna go on my head. He's gonna go on my head. Where is he going? Where is he going? Hold it, hold it, hold it. I goes, where is he going? Where is he going?
Make him fly again. No, lift him up. Don't try to bite me. The sound that it makes of the fly is so funny.
Why is it trying to bite you?
I don't know. Crazy bird. Birds anyway, right? He's dancing to the music now. Okay, we're gonna end this video now.